Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Beve, and today we are going to be talking about what is a wormhole. Today we're going to be talking about what exactly is a wormhole. So, in order to understand exactly what a wormhole is, you have to understand what a black hole is, because what we think a wormhole is basically two black holes connected to each other like a tunnel, okay? So it's connected to each other like a tunnel, and when we travel through it, okay, it's a lot faster than light, okay? It's faster than light, and these guys can be super far away in space, okay? At a large distance in space, and just by going through them, we can zip patch the other place super fast. So you can think of it as this. Let's say there was one wormhole gate in your house and another at your school. Instead of going on the school bus or whatever, you could just go through the wormhole and you'd be at your school, right? That's one way to think of it. But there is one teeny tiny problem, though, with wormholes. That is, they have no evidence of actually existing. Well, we don't know anything on how they're formed. We don't know anything about that, and there is no evidence of wormholes actually existing in our galaxy. But the possibility of it being existing, like the possible theory of it, is actually true. Well, not true, but technically, well, theoretically, it is true that there is a possibility that wormholes could exist. We have no evidence that they actually exist, but technically they could. Well, how do wormholes theoretically exist? We know the theory of general relativity, okay, made by Einstein in 1916, right? And we know that this theory is there to explain what gravity is, which basically helps us helps us stay on the ground, okay? It explains that. But it also technically explains how wormholes actually work, okay? So in order to understand that, we have to first know what space-time is. So we can think of space-time like this, okay, as this long, stretchy fabric sheet, okay? Now, this sheet is where everything exists on, okay? And it's like a 2D surface when we put a planet on. It's like a 2D surface. The object can move left, right, or forward or backward. But in reality, space, okay, is actually three-dimensional, which means it can also go up and down, okay? But there's also a fourth dimension, time as well. We put all those things into it, and bam, we have space-time. So how does a wormhole work in space-time, okay? So let's say we have Earth, and you want to go to Earth 2.0. Let's say this, okay? You want to get to Earth 2.0. But the thing is, they're thousands of light years away on this space-time sheet, okay? So what happens if we bend it under a table, right? And we connect two holes together? Bam, we have a wormhole. Now, this is a faster route towards Earth 2.0. That's theoretically what a wormhole is. And that's basically what a wormhole is actually. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.